Welcome to Drifter in the Machine, where we explore the cutting edge of AI and robotics. Today, we're diving into a topic that's closer than ever. Robots leaving the factory floor and stepping into our everyday lives. The robot revolution is here. Are we ready?
Imagine this. You're at your favorite coffee shop, and instead of a barista, a robot greets you, takes your order, and makes your latte. Robots powered by generative AI are transitioning from factories to public spaces like malls, museums, and restaurants. From cleaning and cooking to engaging conversations, these next-generation robots are changing how we think about service industries.
There are clear benefits: efficiency in repetitive tasks, enhanced customer service, and even filling gaps in industries facing labor shortages. But there are challenges too. Robots still struggle with complex or unpredictable environments, and their presence raises questions about job displacement and privacy concerns.
China is leading the charge in robotics innovation. By 2025, they plan to deploy 1 million AI-powered robots across various industries. Their latest breakthrough? A humanoid robot named PM01 with lifelike movements and acrobatic skills that are as impressive as they are unsettling. While some marvel at these advancements, others express concern about the implications of such lifelike creations. Are we ready for robots to become an integral part of our lives?
Public reactions to the robot revolution are mixed. Some are excited about the possibilities, while others worry about the risks. How do we find the balance between innovation and ethical responsibility?
The robot revolution is unfolding before our eyes. From public spaces to cutting-edge innovations, AI and robotics are reshaping our world. But what does this mean for us as a society? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Are you excited, concerned, or a little bit of both? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us next time on Drifter in the Machine as we continue exploring the future of AI and robotics.